Let's go, my lively people. I'm going to share a super delicious and powerful recipe to boost your immunity and muscles, using dried apricots, figs, lemon, honey, and nuts. Come with me. Apricot, fig, and nut smoothie with a touch of lemon and honey. Ingredients: 1 cup dried apricots, 1 cup dried figs, juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons honey, a quarter cup nuts, 2 cups water. Instructions. Let's start by soaking the apricots and figs in hot water for about 15 minutes. This will soften them up and make them ready to rock in the smoothie. Then, simply throw all the ingredients into a blender: drained apricots and figs, lemon juice, honey, and nuts. Add the water and blend everything until it becomes smooth and homogeneous. Serve in a big glass, decorate with some nuts, and enjoy this super nutritious and healthy treat. Now, let's talk about the properties of these wonderful ingredients, folks. Dried apricots are an incredible source of antioxidants, vitamins A and C, calcium, iron, and potassium. They also contain dietary fibers that help improve digestion and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Dried figs are a powerful little fruit that contains antioxidants, fibers, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin K, calcium, and iron. Plus, they have some anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce inflammation in our bodies. Lemon is a wonderful source of vitamin C, an amazing antioxidant that helps strengthen our immune system. Oh, and it also contains some anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce inflammation in our bodies. Honey is a natural sweetener that contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. In other words, it's the perfect crush to improve our health. Nuts are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, proteins, and fibers. They also contain vitamin E, which is a super top antioxidant that helps protect our cells against damage. Did you like it, my loves? I hope so. Now, it's time to get cooking and prepare this powerful recipe to boost our health and happiness. That's it, my dear ones. I hope you enjoyed our delicious and healthy recipes. Don't forget to leave your comments below, telling us what you think, asking for suggestions, and sharing your culinary experiences with us. And of course, keep following our channel for more amazing tips and recipes. Oh, and don't forget to share with everyone you love, to spread the love for food and healthy living. Thanks, guys. See you next time.